May ni khat sang ni som ni paruk lo ni le ta der mai hun han kal chak jeng bo ni sei Trump hian in darkar som ni pali ala nei ani thutluk na siam na turin achan chu CENTCOM Central Command lampangin Trump hi an brief to athilom zia an shilfia to United States hian in sipai chak na manga Iran hi abele nge yari noma he thili kan react tan mai he kan shil du cheu chu karle Monday le Tuesday hian jingdar so machanga tlaidar nga chungin Aizol Millennium Center rooftop a career fair nei ani don ani heta hianin institution thatak tak university te college te nak A atanga nak A+ accredited NIR ranking nei khati ang chi kha khang ai ote kha an omdona biek turan omdona chuta chuanin lohan kalve nge ula Millennium Center rooftop a khan mo chuta chuanin Northeast education fair lian ber ani dona Sipai career fair ti hian in boy pui don ani hian in kumsom ni pathum lai an lo boy pui to hetiang hi chuwan sonin an rin tlak emema in lo han tel venge don ye ti kha khami kha kan ron soi ma sa ani ole tu da sonin an react na
Fox News alert, it's decision time.
Yes, Fox News alert, it's a decision time. Tu na hian in thutluk na sia ma hun to ani.
CENTCOM Commander Admiral Brad Cooper has just briefed the president in the situation.
CENTCOM Commander in Donald Trump hi thil omje engki ma hril fi evek tawa
About what could be the final blow.
omje chu United States military lampang hian in tuna hian in Irana be pui thak an tum le ani hi atop na ber tur po ani to mai thaya a pui ngotang
US military is preparing for a short and powerful wave of strikes.
United States sipai ten in bot sai me kan ti kha an be le hun tur hi chu a hriat lawa ma ro chu an be dan tur ero chu hi chu a soilok ve deuh thai ani engtin yen beyang engteng ringen beyang reilo te chung Ari lawang amaro chu anna fiawang ti kha kha a hriat thei don
Targets include the enemy's remaining military assets, leadership, and infrastructure.
Military asset poi mo tak tak ho kha kha an target anga chuanin Iran leadership te po an target anga chuan chungba ka chuanin infrastructure poi mo tak tak nei oil te electric siam chuan ang chi te po kha kha United States sipai te chuanin an target theya hi Trump an hrilvek don United States sipai te hian mo tuna hian kan be don em don lawem ti lampang to lo news ina report dan chuanin United States te hianin United States sipai te hianin Iran a be pui thak le tur hianin an in puat cha le mek an in buat sai chole mek ani hi ahun a hriat don lawa aron ni le thut thei ani
Iran is proving to be very stubborn. The talks seem like they are stalled. Are you getting antsy?
Iran te hi an ngal khop mayan lulul ang reng khop maya in biak na hian in malama pan lo ni na langa
to break the ceasefire.
In ka haim puan hi ti topi duem tin reporter hian in Trump a zota ne
Well, I mean, I don't know what stubborn is because really nobody knows what the talks are except myself and a couple of other people.
Iran hi an lulul nge lulul lo ero hi chu mi zong zong hian in thelawa a chan chu keile mi tlem te che in an lulul dan le lulul lo dan hi chu kan ria ni ya kan chief minister pudo ma te po ang chho don lo la good vung berbur ke veng bur berbur ti chho lai vel khamo
They want to make a deal badly.
In case
tuna hian in Iran te hian in US nen hian in deal siam wat hi an du ani ti vetlet mai ni Trump an
the Iranians needed a little nudge, the Pentagon's contemplating bringing a brand new weapon to the battlefield.
Pentagon lampang hian in ral thuam thar introduce an du tat mai na
The mother of all hypersonics.
Mother of all hypersonic bondo name
The Dark Eagle.
hypersonic missile mingbo Dark Eagle ti ani Dark Eagle ming atang po hian in a parem rem khop mai
It can hit targets 2,000 miles away.
2,000 miles away kilometer sang ni zanga chuang fe ahla target te po he missile hianin akap fu thei don ani
The enemy's last ballistic missile launchers are in the crosshairs. B-1 bombers have been surging into the region.
B-1 bombers te po yun vathok phele US lampang hian tir phele me eron soitat mai
And they can be armed with up to 5,000 pounds of hypersonics.
5,000 pounds of hypersonic 5,000 pounds ani chuan B-1 bombers hian in heng hypersonic missile hi 5,000 pounds ani chuan a kg ang zong chuan in kg sing khat an tam rem ve an bondon ve heng te hi B-1 bombers te hian in an pai thei don ani
It's a big payload.
tam
We're about
khop
to
maya
hit day 60 of the war. And if we're going by the book, and if you're asking Congress, that means the deadline for Operation Epic Fury expires tomorrow.
ni som ruk ani trep to wa chuan in Congress ดูดังกัลโดนี่ส่วนนี้ให้มีอินกาหายปวนฮีle Operation Epic Fury zok ngale hemi Operation Epic Fury shim hi naktu ka hianin azo to don tina ni ama ero chu
But Trump could also do what Clinton and Obama did.
amaro chu Trump hianin Obama te Clinton te na anti dana khanin ative theya ni somruk po pelengang to ma se Congress ron kherlo hian hetiang hianin alatchezun alatchet enge chet alalak chun zom zel thei don ani
Ignore Congress and keep firing.
Ignore Congress and keep firing. Congress te an thu soi vele an thu le lang khang ai poimo lo wa Iran be vezel kha Trump hian ina du phot chuanin Obama te Clinton te panan lo ti thin tong khan ati ve thei don ani.
The Secretary of War says technically we paused the clock 2 weeks ago.
Is the president intending to either seek congressional authorization for the war in Iran or send us the legally required certification that he needs an additional 30 days to remove U.S. forces?
But we are in a ceasefire right.
Tuna hianin Congress ne na chang hianin thu enge permission aron la don em tiang zi zong te khanin an zota chuanin pit hack se ka hianin tuna hianin in ka hayan puang meka we are in the middle of ceasefire at
Now, which our understanding means the 60-day clock pauses or stops in a ceasefire.
60-day clock kami Congress ina Operation Epic Fury zo tura ati ni somruk chung kha kha in ka hai pon ani awang hianin kha account thei to ri lo aron ti ve ni
If Kane's right, that means Trump has 24 hours. The president's being presented.
Congress hi an dikani chuan le Congress thuang kal don ni chuan in Trump hian in darkar som ni pali ala ne ya
With options. On top of airstrikes, Admiral Cooper also reportedly briefed the president on seizing the strait.
Trump hian in hemi in ka hai puan anti top pia lama Iran abe pia lama hian in Central Command lampang chuan in Strait of Hormuz LAK thei dan te khati ang chi chungchang te pau kha Donald Trump hi an shil bok ani
A ground assault on the coastline and strategic islands, which would be a shame for Iran because today they're celebrating Persian Gulf Day.
tuna hianin Iran lampang chuan in Persian Gulf Day an lo lom ve me boka hetianga an lom laia Trump an che dalak thu chuan in an mani tan po khanin a poi thei dona mual pho thak thei don ani a chan chu United States sipai te hianin Strait of Hormuz engemaw chen hi chu lak an chak zik sek ni hianin alang to ani tuna hian mo
Here's a quote from the guy.
Hepa hi chu hepa a thu soi hi chu ni zan lama han kan react to a thu soi khamo ni zan video en lo kha chon in lo enula in ron shat hiam kwar mayang
With no lips. And the only ships at the bottom of the water are Iranian. We've also turned around 44 vessels heading into and out of their ports. We even seized
long somli pali nan thon kir to ni kami Strait of Hormuz kaltlang tum
some. What's the regime done about it? Nothing.
Iran long te po kha United States sipai te zonin man chen khatan nei ha Iran ni nge anti zonin engma a chan chu engma ti thian nei ri lo Iran te hian
Because they can't. The troops aboard the USS New Orleans have been enforcing the embargo in the Arabian Sea, intimidating any possible blockade runners.
Kami United States Navy te na Strait of Hormuz an block ron paltang lui tum tu te kha an lo dang zel an thon kir zela emponi se tu na poi mo bera chu Congress du da nang an kal don ni chuanin Trump hian in darkar som hi pali Iran a be pui thang na la neya amaro chu Obama te Clinton te na an lo ti thin to thoda nanga Trump at ti ve do ni chuanin Congress thule la kha ti khanin sira khan nol pop theya tuna hianin Central Command lampang chuanin Trump hi an thil ti tumte an thil ti du te kha an thrila Trump hianin IS chuan an che chuak mai na rin nomani kha tun din mun chuani ole kha ti zong kha tun trumata na toi si kim sianga kan han react thei chuani ya soi tong khanin karle Monday le Tuesday May ni li le ninga hianin jingdar soma changa tlaidar nga le chan ve Millennium Center rooftop a career fair omdona safe career fair Northeast Education Fair lian le thaber ani dona ni kumsom hi pathum lai teng hianin rin tlak takin an lo ti towa in lo han kal ve nge yanga in fate in thiente in kazante in chungte heng career fair a hianin in lo han kal tir theu ula enge ga zir zomang tia shelo te tan po khanin consultancy ang chi te po kha an thong halin ka ring bokani ala khati zong kha tun tru mata na kan han react thei chu ani video la kan in hule theu don ni